Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Razr 50 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find the hotspot toggle, which might be on one of the pages, so keep swiping left till you see it. Oh, there we go. So it was on the second page and I just couldn't see it. So there we go. Once you find the toggle, if you're doing this the first time around, hold it and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now the reason you want to navigate into the settings is because under the hotspot password, you'll find it that it's a randomly generated password, and without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to. Now I do recommend getting rid of it as it is pretty bad. And from there you can set up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. From there you can also customize some other settings in here, though for people that don't know what these do, I recommend keeping them as they are, as this will ensure that your hotspot works with the widest array of devices. Anyway, from there you can close this and you don't ever have to come back into the settings again. And let's find the toggle, and all you need to do now is tap on it to toggle it on. And that's it. Now once you're done with it, you can quickly turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again. As hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, there is no reason for it to be running in the background when you're not using it. And luckily, I think there was a option, timeout setting, for the hotspot to be automatically turned off after 10 minutes. Now if this is something that is maybe just too short for you, you might want to increase this, as it might sometimes turn off your hotspot when you're still connected to it, but for instance you haven't done anything that would make the device use any data, therefore it thinks that you're not using it. So in this circumstances you might want to make this timer a bit longer. But in any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.